Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one to thank Ferengi from Australia for sending me. This is an Indonesian variety by... Okay, here's what it looks like. It's got a long, freaking weird name. It's Burung, Layang, Terbang, Goreng, Rasa Sambal, Terasi, which basically translates to shrimp paste flavor. So there you go. Standard way of making goreng: you boil it for 3 minutes, drain it, add all the gunk in. And there's a lot of gunk, a lot of good looking gunk. We've got a powder sachet that seems kind of not wanting to... It seems a little squished. We'll see how that works out. We've got a seasoned oil. This is all straight dry chili powder, so this one could be really hot. This one, I think this is a chili paste stuff. This one is ketchup manis. It's sweet soy sauce. And then we've got this little like ketchup packet size one of Sambal. So here's our noodle. It kind of got munched during the in the mail, but that's okay. It'll be fine. Doesn't have to be totally contiguous. Come on, there you go. And yeah, 3 minutes on the clock. And there we go. You get in there. We want to get every last noodle in the pot. This is the third one of the day, so I'm just like cranking through these as fast as I can. Weather is great. It's nice and non-sunny at the moment, so photos should come out swimmingly. And yeah, so what's going on? Trains keep derailing. That's interesting. In Ohio. Where my mom's from, and some of our family lives there. Hopefully no noxious fumes have been annoying them in any way, shape, or form, and they're doing well. There's been calls for the train line Norfolk Southern to shut down for a short period while they assess the situation. Boy, that would be... It's not going to happen. There's no way. Do you realize how much stuff is transported by rail in this country? First off, oxygen, liquid oxygen, everywhere. All sorts of petrochemicals. I think like rocket fuel, all sorts of stuff. They're like, but they're transporting dangerous chemicals. It's like, yeah, because if you had one of those if you had like a tanker truck carrying some of these things and they got into an accident, oh boy, that, they say there's been like 4 derailments in a month here by this company. It's like, yeah, there's a lot every year, but you know what, if all this was being transported on like highways and surface streets and things like that, that would be way worse. You have no idea. So not only that, if you shut down a major train line in one section of the United States, if you can't get product, well, you know how that is. If you can't get product, yeah, supply chain. I think we've all had enough of that supply chain crap. So yeah, they'll figure it out. They just need to buy more of those safety doodads, and I think they'll be fine. And I'm sure they will, because their stock's gonna plummet. It's gonna be horrible. If I was in charge, it'd be probably the best deal ever. That never would happen on my watch. That guy's been pretty loopy lately too. I don't know. I'm gonna have to bring out my Donald Trump crystal ball thing and Kermit the Frog and have them have a little debate one of these days soon. You're probably wondering what happened to Kermit the Frog, but he's behind the computer right now. We got a dog, so it's like he's a stuffed animal puppet thing. So she would shred the crap out of him. And we don't have a stuffed animal puppet hospital here. So if I got an iron Kermit the Frog puppet, that would be one thing. I can still talk like him, but that's just kind of weird. Unless I have the prop, it's kind of silly. Yeah, it'd be really silly. I don't understand why you would do that. You know, the prop. Yeah, see, it's stupid. So don't worry. All right, here's our noodle. I think these are egg noodles, honestly. Okay. So let's start with this, because I think this is going to be a problem. I hope it's not, but I think it will be. Sometimes, oh yeah, this is going to be a pain in the butt. It's just going to come up in little chunks, isn't it? Yeah, see, this is just seasoning. After it gets compressed and stuff like that, it just kind of gets hard. There's nothing wrong with it, but it just doesn't want to work as well. Oh yeah, that's seasoning, all right. It'll just require some extra stirring. Don't worry about it. You worry too much. Don't worry about it. Here's a sachet. This is the seasoned oil. This is going to be freaking wonderful. So yeah, this is the same country. You can make this yourself real easy. If you want to make mee goreng at home, just do it. All it is you cook a noodle, and then you can just drain it and add a bunch of stuff to it and stir it up. Or you can do it otherwise. Curious if this is the soy. No, this is spicy. That's got a mean streak to it. I like it. I like it. But yeah, spicy shrimp paste flavor. This is getting a little bit wetter. It's not as wet in any way, shape, or form as what do you call it? Like there's mee goreng and then there's mee rebus, which is definitely way more saucy. Let's see what we got here. That's the sweet soy sauce for sure. It's just got that real molassesy kind of texture. I found out last night that there was a place I used to go, and it was called Warung Jajanan, and it was in Edmonds, Washington, until theirs and other places around there was a big fire, and they all went out of business, and it was just crummy. Well, they're back to some degree. They're operating out of their house. And so if you want to get some of the best Indonesian food inside of, well, Indonesia, there's Indo Cafe in Seattle. I don't know them from anybody, but the guy who does the cooking, I'm sure his wife does too. Shouldn't count her out. They're like super nice people, and they really aims to make like the best Indonesian food. And I did a TV spot, or not a TV spot, but a segment with the local NBC affiliate about them and that area. And yeah, so good stuff, really nice people. Look for, it's spelled Warong, and the second part is spelled Jajanan, Warung Jajanan. And you can like order stuff, you like call them up, and then you can do pickup at this other place. Here's what we got, and I haven't put the sambal on it yet. Ooh. Well. That's pretty strong. Wow. Okay. Holy God. That's pretty spicy. Man. My face. Where's my face? So I'm going to do my standard cup trick. Where's the cup? Now, what I want to do, though, is I want to put this stuff in the right spot. Wow, this is beefy. I want you to go right there. So I'm going to put the egg here, and I'm going to put the shrimp that I got here. But what about the sambal, Ramen Raider guy? You don't worry, you will see. You will see. You'll get where I'm going with this. You will see that sambal sauce, and I won't try it yet, but I'll try it after because I want to take the beauty shots with the sambal playing around the egg and the shrimp that I'm going to put on here. Oh, come on, beauty egg. Oh, let go. Don't break. Don't break. And then we've got one. I mean, if it's spicy shrimp paste flavor, I should include shrimp, right? So that's why I'm doing that. Okay, so there's our shrimp. There's that. I've got some spring onion. Hiya, why you use spring onion? Coriander is right too. I know, but I don't have any. Come on, Uncle Roger, I hear you. Hiya yourself. Send me some ingredients. Have me on your show. Jeez, dude. And I'm gonna add some seeds. Sesame seed in Indonesian food. Oh yeah, why not? Why not? Come on. And some crushed red pepper. My favorite thing on mee goreng fried onion, nice and crispy and delightful. Now it's time to play with our little ketchup packet of goo, and I am going to simply just cut the corner as close as I can and drizzle it like a crazed maniac. Delicately like a crazed maniac. So here we go. Very sweet. Very sweet. I like that. Pretty balanced. I might have to do a little touch up on it, but look here. We'll go this way a little bit, huh? All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Well, cool. That's it for me for today. Yeah, check out that place. Burung Jajanan. They're rad. If you live in like the Seattle area, you really owe it to yourself to try authentic Indonesian food. Anyways, and they got everything. Rendang there is, yeah, try that. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and let me start that over. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks, have a good one. Bye-bye.